Hello everyone, loosen your rubber and the ponytail a little bit down and move the tail 180 degrees to the right and have a beautiful hairpin attached to the right side. With the remaining tail we have a rubber touch the middle part, bend the tail down, attach to the last loop of the rubber and push the lump downwards by having a big black hairpin through it. Stretch the bun for more volume. Leave the sides of the hair folded over the section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and have a little strip of the hair from the bottom of the ponytail, make it go to the top and split them into two and have it braided with strands of hair borrowed from the side section we said before going between the braids, kept and braid as normal as usual. Later on do the same braiding on the right side, combine both the braids together behind the tail with the rubber band. Move your ponytail to the top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom of the rubber band and move it to the top and secure it there. In the remaining section of the tail we have a rubber band touch the middle part, bend the tail down, fix it to the last loop of the rubber band and push the lump downwards by having a big black hairpin through it. Then stretch the bun for more volume. Once again, go for a ponytail, split them into two tails, have a rubber band touch top middle part, curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it, drop the right tail into the left lip and scrunch it to the center, making the lump secure with the rubber band. With the remaining tail, we have a rubber band touch the middle part of them, curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it, drop the entire loop around the lump we created, and split the tail into two and have it come around the lump underneath it and secure with a lovely hair clutcher. Move your ponytail to the left side, have a beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom and secure it on the top. Then bring the tail back to the right and have a rubber band touch the middle part of it and attach the tail to the last loop of the rubber band inwards and push the lump inwards by having a little hairpin through it. Then stretch the bun for more volume again. Go for a ponytail, have a rubber band attach the top middle part and curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it and have a long pin attached to the bottom of the ponytail making a heart and shaped loop. With the remaining tail we have split them into two and have each into three parts and have it braided. Combine both the braids together with the rubber band and roll it and make it at the center of the heart and shape we have and have in place by dropping big black hairpin through it. Move your tail to the top and have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom of the tail and bring the ponytail back and apply some hair wax and comb your hair a little bit, have a rubber band touch the middle part of it and stuff the tail to the last loop of the rubber band by bending it over and having it hidden underneath the bun we have and have a beautiful hair clutcher holding the bun in place. Have a beautiful hair clutcher that has ribbons which has been already made into a bow tie and has suspended two ribbons on top of your ponytail and split the tail into two buns and have it braided along with the ribbons we have. It's very simple. You have to cross the first two tails so that when you do it continuously the first one goes to the fourth place and comes back to the first place. Then have a heart and shape at the end using two rubber bands. Make a ponytail, have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part and create a gap in the middle one and twist the hair against each other until the loop tightens and press the loop against your hair, making the braid go in between the loop and hide the excess hair behind the bun we have and have the whole bun in place by dropping beautiful hairpin at the sides and adjust the bun's shape for volume. Again, go for a ponytail and split them into two parts with the bottom one being thicker and have the top one straightened down using a bun maker and roll it and make it to the top and bend it down forming a circle and hide the excess bun maker by extending your hair. Then leave the remaining ponytail as such, then adjust the shape. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and straighten the tail down by using a bun maker and roll it to the top and bend it down forming a circle and hide the excess bun maker by extending the hair against it. Then drop in your beautiful hairpin at the sides of it to decorate your hairstyle even more further. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop the tail into it, making a lovely twister pan. That's it, we are done. Decorate your hairstyle by dropping your favorite hair clutcher. It's a very simple one, you know. Thank you everyone for watching this video.